I could be the smallest of clouds, or the lightest breeze, like those born over the plains of Africa. But one such day in August.
Station, Houston. Are you recording that weather disturbance forming over Senegal? The National Hurricane Center asks that you keep an eye on that system.
As the pressure falls, my transformation is launched.
Acaba de convertirse en un huracán categoría 1.
Make this a tropical storm, Lucy.
Copy, Lucy.
Las lluvias que caían y el río que comenzaba a crecer. Yo no quiero morir aquí.
Clearing Puerto Rico and heading towards Cuba.
You don't know me until you meet my heart.
Lucy's grown massive since yesterday.
El huracán Lucía es una amenaza real.
Trap heading towards Louisiana.
We have 200 people we have to get out of here. Which that's fast, guys. That's just a few minutes.
Lucy is officially dead.
I wreathe through a realm of possibility far beyond yours.
Huracán puede ser una bendición en tu vida.
I may have been a tyrant, but I served to restore balance.